How to video call on Facebook Lite. Easy Guide 2026. Want to make a video call using Facebook Lite? Here's the quick step-by-step method. Step 1. Open Facebook Lite. Open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Step 2. Open the chat section. Tap the messages icon at the top right. Select the person you want to video call. Step 3. Tap the video call button. Inside the chat screen, tap the video camera icon at the top. If prompted, allow camera and microphone permissions. Important note: in some phones or regions, Facebook Lite may redirect video calls to Facebook Messenger. If that happens, install Messenger from the Play Store. Log in with the same account, then start the video call from Messenger. Quick summary: open Facebook Lite, Messages, select Contact, tap Video icon. That's it. You can now make video calls easily using Facebook Lite.